Good morning, students. Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. So today's date is 11th of January 2021. This is class 11th and I will teach you economics. Okay. So I am going to ask you a few questions. If you know the answer, then please give answer in complete sentences. Okay. So first question is, what is our basic need?
Cloth, food, shelter is our basic needs.
Very good. How you get these things?
We buy these things from shop with the help of money.
Very good. Who print money?
Bank, Reserve Bank of India print money.
Okay. So what else money do?
Bank deposit and lends money.
Very good. Um, what do you call this system of lending and depositing money? So students, today we shall study about banking system. Okay. So tell me, where do you keep your money secured?
In bank,
Okay. Good.
in
In
bank,
bank, we keep our money secured. Okay. So
secure.
what do you mean by banking system?
A system of deposit and lend of money.
Okay.
A system of deposit and lending of money.
Good. So meaning of banking system is here. Okay, so banking is directly or indirectly connected with the trade of a country and the life of individual. Okay, so banking is directly, okay, or indirectly connected with trade of a country. Trade of a country means that commerce or buying and selling of goods of a country and the life of individual. Of course, individual also deposit and lends money from the bank also. This deposit their savings in the banks. That is why individual is connected to banks, okay, directly or indirectly. So it is an industry that manages credit, cash and other financial transaction. Okay, so banking system is one of the industry which manages credit, okay, and cash and financial transactions also. Okay, so in banking, the commercial bank is most influential institution for any country's economy. Okay, so in banking system also, commercial banks are the most influential institution. Okay, so they are important for any country's economy. Okay, so tell me, um, banking systems deal with which items?
Banking system deals with cash and credit.
Good. Okay. So what are the types of banking system?
There are only one type of banking system.
Okay. So here are the types of banking system also. Okay. Banks are further divided into three types. Okay. There are three types of banking system. First one is commercial bank. Okay. So commercial banks are regulated under Regulation Act 1949. Okay. So what commercial banks do? They accept deposit from money and they lend money to public also. Second bank is a specialized bank. Okay, so if specialized banks provide financial helps to special industries only. Okay, they does not provide loans to any public or general public. Okay, so they are for they are established to provide financial help to state special industries. Okay, and third is and very important bank, which is central bank. Okay, and you all know that central bank is apex bank of the country. Okay, and manages checks and monitors all activities of commercial banks. Okay, so central bank monitors all activities of the commercial banks. Okay, so these were the types of banking system. First one is commercial bank, second is a specialized bank, and third is central bank. Okay, so tell me, which bank monitor all activities of bank?
Central bank monitors all activities of bank.
Very good. Central bank monitor all activities of bank. Okay. So what are the function of banking?
Banking, deposit and lending of a money are the
Oh,
functions of banking.
okay. So here are some functions of bank. Okay. First one is acceptance of deposit. Okay. So bank, what do it is one of the important function of bank that it accept deposit. Okay. So people deposit money to the banks and they accept the deposits. Okay, from the general public. Okay, second is lending of funds. Okay, lending of funds. Okay, so they accept the deposit of the money and they lend funds to the public. Okay, you call it loan. Okay, so general public take loan from the banks. Third is check facility. Okay, so check facility is the facility bank provide to the general public through which they does not use money. They use this check to transfer money from one person to another person. Okay. Fourth is money transfer. Okay, money transfer is also one of the important facility of also one of the function of bank. Okay, so you can also transfer money. Okay, very easily. Okay, so tell me, can you deposit your savings in bank?
Yes, we can deposit savings in banks.
Okay, very good. So what are the types of commercial bank?
Commercial banks are of different types.
Okay, so here are the types of commercial banks. Okay, first one is public sector bank. So what is public sector bank? Okay, so public sector banks are those banks which major holdings are of government. Okay, so major holdings are of government or government completely control or regulate these banks are known as public sector banks. And examples are SBI, PNB, okay, RBI. These are the SBI and PNB. These are the public sector banks. And private sector banks are the banks which holdings are in the private hand. Okay, government does not regulate or control these banks. So examples are ICICI or Axis banks. These banks are the private sector banks. Okay. So tell me, okay. So what is banking system?
Banking is a direct or indirect connected with the trade of country.
Okay. So what is commercial bank?
Commercial banks are regulatory under Regulation Act 1949.
Okay. Good.
1949.
Good. Which bank is central bank?
Reserve Bank of India. Reserve Bank of India is a central bank.
Very good. What is one function of banking system?
Accepting deposit and lending of money is the function of banking system.
Very good. What is two types of commercial banks?
Public sector bank, private sector bank.
Very good. Hmm. Okay. So here are some sentences. Say true if they are correct. Say false if they are incorrect. Okay. So first is bank involves transactions of cash and credit.
True.
Very good. Second one is commercial bank is most influential bank.
True.
Good. Commercial banks are regulated under Act.
1949.
Okay. So commercial banks are regulated under Act. Okay. They are regulated under Act, which is true. Okay.
True.
Fourth is
True.
accepting deposit is not the function of bank.
False.
Okay, good. Bank does not provide money transfer facility.
False.
Very good. Here is your homework. Okay. So question number 1 is write meaning of banking system and its type. And second is write down all functions of banking. Okay. Thank you, students.
Thank you, ma'am.